What is up, YouTube? Jonny here again today, and we're going to be doing another wide body kit. Yes, another wide body kit. We're going to be doing it on this 2013 Scion FRS. The customer went ahead and sourced out a Rallybacker V2 kit. He went ahead and had it painted with one of his friends, so that way they could just bring it to me, have it installed, and be good to go. So we're going to be installing it today. We're going to be chopping up the fenders, getting this car done, and hopefully we can get it done in one day. That way he can enjoy his car for the weekend. So let's get started. So here's the FRS. It's got the VLAN headlights. It has some Avid wheels. It's got 10 coilovers. So it's already got some mods going for it. I went ahead and put it on jack stands already. Took off the wheels so we can get started. Here go the other wheels. Still got to take off the front one, but looks like he's got black wrap on the roof, some louvers, some Valenti taillights, if I had to guess. Yeah, smoked Valenti taillights. So now, then we have the kit all over my BRZTS and over there on my FRS seats. So let's go ahead and start chopping. Going ahead and taking a look at the kit on the car, just taped it on, seeing where I need to cut. The cut is different from all the other kits that we do, the Rocket Bunny kits, because they usually require a big old cut all the way to the bottom. This one ends like halfway through the fender, because then this part's visible, so you don't want to cut through that. Side skirt's laid out. The back looks like I could do the same exact cut. Everything's gonna get covered up regardless, so that's good. So I could just go ahead and send it in the rear, since I already know what I'm doing in that regard. There's nothing that's gonna be open, so just the front section is the only one that I need to worry about right there. Guess I'll start cutting and then I'll bolt it on. Got the fronts all cut up, got that adjusted in there. So now the fronts are looking perfect. The rears, went ahead and sliced them up, welded them already. Now all we have to do is seal them up. I'm kind of going fast, trying to get the job done a little bit faster. Try to kind of be close to the record, or at least break the record of 4 hours of doing a wide body kit, so we can get this car done for the customer today. Got the rear all sealed up and painted off. That way it doesn't acquire any rust later on in the future, even though we don't have that issue here in AZ. And then I went ahead and took the kit and we have it all bolted up together. That way when I go to bolt it onto the car, everything's just gonna fit perfectly. So we got the kit on, it's all installed, lined up perfectly. Now having the whole kit put together, just kind of putting it on there, lining it up, worked out really great. That way all the body lines that are lining up, like the ones here, normally you would put this piece separate, but if that doesn't line up, that'd be a bit difficult. Same thing with this section. So you don't want to put pieces individually and then find out that the body lines aren't going to line up good at all. So you can see how the back of the fender flare lined up with that. And then you have like this little cut in on the bottom over here on the side skirt that goes right into the side of the fender. That all lines up and everything's just lining up really, really nicely. So now I went ahead and put some spacers on for the meantime. And I'm throwing on the wheels. So that way we'll be done with one side and then we can go ahead and get on to the other. Let's get the car clean. Came in dirty, but it's gonna leave all clean.